Good morning, first graders. It's Mrs. Tinsley with your Pathways this week for writing. This week's objective for writing is to use end punctuation for sentences. So we will talk about writing a complete sentence and what punctuation marks we need to put at the end for that sentence. There are 3 different types of punctuations that we will be learning about, punctuation marks this week. So the first one that we will be talking about this week, let me go to there. The first one we'll be talking about is our period. Our period here tells us that we think we should just all stop together. We're going to use that as our ending mark for a telling sentence. So when you're talking about a sentence that's just giving information, you're going to use a period. When you use this exclamation point here, this is when we are going to be talking with excitement in our voice. We are so thrilled. We are having lots of loudness or emotion, feeling, expression. That's when we would use this mark. Question mark is when we ask questions. What are you talking about? We're going to use a question mark when we are asking something to somebody. So this week, when we come to our lesson, we will talk about each of those punctuation marks. We will read different sentences and determine if that sentence is telling something, if it is an excitement or with emotion, or if it is going to be a question. So I want you guys to think about this first sentence here. My favorite season is summer. I have a question mark here. Does that ask something? Did I ask you what your favorite season was? No. So think in your mind, am I telling you something? Am I seeming very excited? Or am I asking a question? So we'll determine if that was the correct punctuation mark for that one. This next statement says, during the summer, I love to go swimming. You could have read it like this. During the summer, I love to go swimming. So think about how I read that sentence, and would I use this exclamation mark here? My last sentence says, do you love swimming? Determine if you think that this is the correct punctuation mark. So remember, a period, we can call her Farah full stop. A period is going to tell us that we stop at the sentence when it is telling us something, okay? A question, like Quentin question mark, we use that at the end of a sentence when we are asking questions. An Emily exclamation mark over here, we use that when we are using lots of emotion or excitement in our voice, when we are reading, telling a statement. It could be like, I can't wait for my party. That is going to be an exclamation mark because I'm so excited. Or, stop it right now. So you might not be excited, but you're using a lot of emotion in your voice. So those are ways that we can tell the difference of punctuation marks. So we hope to see you at this week's lesson where we will discuss more about our punctuation marks. I hope you have a wonderful day.